What if you could see a complete soil moisture release curve tailored to every soil type you work with? Not just a handful of data points, but a high-resolution curve with hundreds of data points showing exactly how your soil releases water. Now, imagine generating that curve in days, not months. Traditional methods are slow, labor-intensive, and leave you with incomplete data. And incomplete data leads to imprecise predictions, costing you time, resources, and results. But a complete high-resolution soil moisture curve gives you the precision you need to unlock critical insights, predict plant water uptake, understand deep drainage, model runoff, and much more. Modern lab instruments now deliver that precision. The HyProp generates detailed curves in the wet range automatically. The WP4C completes the curve at the dry end. Incomplete soil moisture data costs you. It leads to bad decisions, flawed models, and unreliable outcomes. Complete, accurate soil moisture data changes everything. The right tools, the HyProp and WP4C, put that power in your hands.